guys, what is going on? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. In today's YouTube video, we're gonna check out my friend's car. He just got a brand new car. It's a Toyota Supra. That car is lit, so we're gonna go check it out right now. Let's not waste no more time. The Supra. Hey, the Supra's coming in. Hey, look at this. Yeah. Ooh. Fucking clean, bro. Shit, what's good? What's good? Dude.
I know, dude.
Oh, nice 12, bro. The 12 Pro Max, bro.
Yes. We even got the drip on the wrist today.
Oh, we got the drip on the wrist. Got the LV. LV, bro, was good. All right, let's hit it. Let's hit it.
Oh, my phone just went flying.
It's good. I got it. Yo, this boy whipping, bro. This boy whipping. Alright, ready? Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. Holy, dude, fact. Is this that stock exhaust?
Yeah, this is the
stock exhaust.
This is the 3.0 premium, so
holy,
it got 382 horse, so basically 400 horsepower.
Dude, so we got the same amount of horses right now. 400? Yeah, 400.
Yeah, but my body is so much lighter, bro.
Yeah, you have a light body. Yeah, my car's a thick boy.
Yeah, my 0 to 60 is kind of insane. I measured it yesterday.
Yeah.
3.7, bro.
That's crazy, man. That's crazy.
And also, it's a rear-wheel drive.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kids when you... Do you feel that?
Have you done it? Yeah, I felt that.
You already know.
Dude, the body looks nice. I love the curves.
Look at the color.
Dude, the color is nice, bro.
Look how sick it takes these turns.
The yellow is just fire. Okay, let's see these turns. Let's see these turns.
It takes it so
Ooh, the rear wheel drive really got it, man. The rear wheel drive, man.
Let's put them next to you.
Dude, this really reminds me of a BMW, bro. It has all the BMW noises, the BMW.
BMW made this car.
I know they made this car, but like I didn't expect like the infotainment system and like everything to be so BMW.
Bro, I got subwoofers in the back.
Oh my god, man. Yo, what year is this car? What year is it?
2021.
This is crazy, man. Wow, this is a BMW, man. This is straight up a Beamer.
It really is, bro.
I said, I'm forget this man. I'm from the floors where niggas too. They gotta be cribs, so they turn for driving through the veil.
Bro.
Yeah. Let me see some. Okay.
Damn. Bro. I love it. Yesterday, I drove all the way back from Maryland, bro. I got it.
Yeah, that's a beauty.
Oh, yeah.
Oh
my god.
The pop was nuts, man. Dude, that's nice.
That whole restaurant.